So at this time, it's unclear whether a rise in new COVID-19 cases here in Alabama are coming from the Delta or the Omicron variant. Infectious disease experts say either way, there's reason to be concerned.
According to the CDC, the Omicron variant of COVID-19 is now the most dominant strain in the country. UAB Dr. Jeannie Marazzo says the Omicron variant is highly contagious, noting it was only identified in the U.S. earlier this month. News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker joining us now live with the latest from the UAB doctor. Dallas?
That's right, Jerry. Dr. Marazzo spoke with reporters for about 30 minutes about vaccines, hospitalization, but more importantly, the Omicron variant. And to be frank, a lot remains unclear about this new variant. Now in Alabama, less than half of the population is fully vaccinated, and Dr. Marazzo says that's likely going to mean the state's hospital system will grow overwhelmed at some point. UAB is also concerned because currently there is no monoclonal antibody treatment that will help fight against the Omicron variant. Therefore, they say being vaccinated is everyone's best bet in this round of the fight. Now, Dr. Marazzo says this variant is tricky and people should take heed to its infectiousness.
The CDC did publish last week a report of the first about 50 cases, and it was pretty much what you would expect: fever, runny nose, congestion, sore throat, fatigue. The challenge, I think, is that with a virus that is spreading this quickly and causing a large increase in cases, even if only a small proportion are severe, especially in places that don't have vaccination coverage, we are going to be faced with crushing demands on the healthcare system. And I'm not sure that people really understand that. But this virus is just weird. It's a weird virus that has been unpredictable and has done things that we haven't seen with other respiratory viruses. So I would just really respect it. And this is a time when you could really use that advice.
A few more things to note as you prepare to travel for the holidays. Dr. Marazzo says even if you get a booster ahead of the weekend, it probably won't be very effective for about 2 weeks, so keep that in mind. Also, if you're going to congregate in a poorly ventilated space, she says it doesn't hurt to mask up. Also, with Omicron having such a vast set of symptoms, Dr. Marazzo recommends if you experience any of those, you should isolate yourself until you're tested. Now tomorrow, Huntsville and Madison County area leaders will gather for their area COVID-19 briefing. Of course, I will be at that meeting tomorrow, and we're hoping to get some insight on how this variant is affecting our community here locally. For now, reporting live in Huntsville, I'm Dallas Parker, News 19.